Hello, my name is Liana. I have been in the entertainment industry for most of my life, writing, making TV commercials, corporate videos, singing, and acting in movies, and I am truly blessed. I have always sought to empower other young women and young men to become successful and live happy, productive lives. One of your most important assets for success is a beautiful, healthy smile. Your smile has its beginnings with a children's dentist, orthodontist, and family dentist. Older patients will sometimes need to see other dental specialists such as periodontists, endodontists, prosthodontists, and dental implant specialists. The dentalspecialist.com website has developed a virtual QuickSmile exam for you to have your smile and overall dental health evaluated by a board-certified orthodontist and/or other ADA-certified dental specialists without having to physically go to one of their offices. Welcome to your virtual QuickSmile exam. To begin, we need your help taking a selfie-like picture of your teeth and face. Your QuickSmile exam will provide you with some preliminary information about your teeth, bite, and smile. This will definitely be fun. Let's get ready to take a few pictures of your teeth, profile, and smile. This should be very quick as we value your time. Please gather the following items: 1 to 2 metal spoons and your cell phone with your flash on. We want you to take a minimum of 7 to 8 selfie pictures. You can have a family member or friend help you take your photos. First, we want to analyze your frontal smile and facial profile. Stand in front of a blank wall with no pictures. Take a straight-on picture of your smiling face. Next, take at least one profile side, right or left. You can take both profiles if you want. Now let's see the inside of your mouth. Use a metal spoon with the curved side towards your cheek. You may also use 1 or 2 fingers to retract your lips away from your teeth. Bite down firmly with all back chewing teeth touching. Take a picture of your right and left sides. Next, use 2 spoons or 4 fingers to retract your right and left lips to fully expose your frontal smile. Make sure you are firmly biting down on all of your back teeth. We want to see all of your upper and lower teeth. Let's do your upper teeth first. Place your cell phone lens upside down close to your lower lip. Take a photo of all upper teeth, back to your molar teeth. You may have to take more than one picture with the flash on to get it perfect. Please only send the best pictures. Now flip your cell phone camera with the lens facing the lower teeth. Take a picture of all of your lower teeth. You can also take a cell phone video of your teeth using your fingers or spoons so we can see all your teeth. Video yourself smiling from the front and sides. Tell us what your main concerns and goals are. And keep in mind that videos should be no more than 1 to 2 minutes. We want to make this a quick smile exam and contact you ASAP with our recommendations. Your photos should look like this. Older adult patients that may require comprehensive extreme smile makeovers that require dental implants and other advanced dental procedures can use the virtual QuickSmile portal, doing the same process. Then let us know the best way to contact you with your results. We only use HIPAA-compliant video and text apps such as FaceTime, Messenger, WhatsApp, Skype, Google Hangout, Zoom, and others. If you have any questions, please call or text 404-983-2300 or email us at 4bracesdro@gmail.com.